Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today we're gonna play Try Not to Laugh challenge. Let's get started. Okay. First one will be right here. Ew, that's being it. If you're laughed, you're new. Okay. 170. The password. If you didn't guess your password that we told in a few videos, the password was 170245. That was the password. You would have got a shout out to focus. It doesn't want to focus the camera. Focus. There we go. No, it's not focusing. It's not focusing. Look at right here. Okay, focus. I was just going to play my X on my PS4, my PlayStation, but I thought you'll be bored, so we'll just get up for a little TV show. If you watch this whole video,